Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into 3 super easy, quick, and healthy recipes that are perfect for Ramadan and your busy routine. Recipe number 1 is bisan chila. Take 1/3 cup of gram flour and mix it with 1 cup of your favorite vegetables. Mix it well, grease the pan with 1 teaspoon of oil and spread the batter on it. Cook it well and serve it with half a cup of yogurt, and your super healthy recipe is ready. Recipe number 2 is chicken steak. Cut thin slices of chicken breast. To enhance the flavor, marinate with spices according to your preference. You can prepare a large batch of marinade and freeze it for later use. Now you can grill, steam or air fry it. Fill half of the plate with sautéed veggies and serve with half cup of yogurt or 1 tablespoon of your favorite sauce. Super quick and protein-rich meal is ready. Recipe number 3 is egg wrap. Take 2 to 3 eggs, add 2 tablespoons of flour in it. Blend well and spread it on the pan. Afterwards add lots of vegetables and cheese, and your cheesy and delicious meal is ready. If you found this video helpful, do press the subscribe button.